Okay, this is a little bit of a longer video, but I think I just witnessed a rocket launch. Yeah, it started there, went up to there, and I had to go inside to get the camera. And then it's up above me. What the hell? Kind of cool. No, it went beyond the clouds. Oh, it's crazy. Let's see if I'll see it. So technically, I think it's still going up, or did it curve? Yeah. So yeah, it started here, and I was thinking it was just going to keep going straight up, but it actually went up. And then I'm turning to go that way, and now it's behind the clouds, so I don't know where it went. That's kind of cool. SpaceX, because I'm here in Texas, and I don't live very far from that base or wherever that place is. Who knows? Anyways, that's my morning. Was it June 26th, 6:30 in the morning? Huh. And let's look at some flowers. Golden Esperanza. What else? Yeah, that's cool. Participating. Back yet? Nope. Nope. Oh well.